Hello class nursery. Welcome to online classes of HPS. This is your English class. So be ready with your books, pencil and eraser. Okay? Now open your book, page number 32. L. L for lamp, L for leaf. It's so easy. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, 1 to 3rd line, standing, and on 3rd line, sleeping. 1 to 3rd line, standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Just trace on the whole page. Now come to this page. 3 dots. We put 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing line, sleeping line. 1 to 3rd line standing and sleeping line. उसी पॉइंट से आपको स्लीपिंग करनी है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट टू सेकंड पॉइंट स्टैंडिंग, सेकंड टू थर्ड पॉइंट स्लीपिंग. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing, just hold pencil like this. Standing, sleeping. Okay, complete the full page. Now in your notebook. L for lamp. L. Make 3 dots. 1, 2, 3 by your parents. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Now start writing. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing first to 3rd line में standing, उसी point से out, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Standing, sleeping. Okay. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lamp. Lion, lamb, leaf. Okay, now in your alphabet book, my alphabet book, standing line, sleeping line. This is page number 30. Lemon, this is lemon. L for lemon. Color this lemon yellow. This is lamp, lamp. Now trace on this standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping. Now on the second page, trace it all, then from this point standing and right direction sleeping, to the right direction sleeping, this point to down, right. His parents help them to write. Help them in making dots. Yes, this is L. This is lion. Color the lion. Okay. Now, these parents in the notebook write what comes after. A के बाद आप डैश लगाएंगे, B डैश, C डैश, D डैश, E डैश. After doing this, इसके करने के बाद now ask what will come after A. A after B. A after B. Now write down B. B after A. B. B के बाद C. Make C. C after D. D after E. A, B, B after C, C after D, D after E, E after F. Okay? Now complete like this. A के बाद B, B के बाद C, C के बाद D, D के बाद F, E के बाद F. Okay. This is all for now. Goodbye and have a nice day and be safe.